The Edge Morning Madhouse.
Excellent. So thank you so much to Cadbury too, because they've delivered us a whole bunch of pineapple lumps this morning.
Yeah, Pascal pineapple lumps.
Yum, yum, yum.
So how many do I put on the plate?
Oh, I don't know. Put the whole lot on there.
No, not with the whole lot.
Oh, Mike
Not that.
Mike wants some.
That's a big bag.
That's going to
Delicious.
make a huge mess.
Okay.
Thank you. Yum, yum, yum.
Okay, and how long? What, 40, 30, 45, 30?
About 45 seconds, but this might be very long.
How do you do
Oh, no.
How do you work the microwave?
Okay, 40.
I told you Dom can't cook. I'm not joking.
Oh, shush, I can.
He's serious. I'd go away for a weekend once. He rang me up and asked me how to turn the oven on, and that is not a joke.
What's happening? Are you doing it now?
Yeah.
Can you commentate what's going on? Or not?
Audio-wise, this isn't very good. It's a Panasonic The Genius.
Right.
It's
1100
quiet,
watt. It's
yeah.
very quiet. And there's no light in, so I'm going to have to put my face up to the door.
Hey, that's dangerous. You'll get the radiation.
There's anything
This is going
happening?
to be no, we're down to 25 seconds. But I can't see what's happening inside, so hopefully it's working. Is it working?
This is very boring. What happened to the light? What a huge anticlimax. Nothing going on in there? No?
Yeah.
Well, nothing's blowing up
but
yet.
The good thing is 10 seconds to go. It's going to be a real surprise when the door opens.
Hope it makes the ding noise when it's ready. Okay.
Here we go. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. No,
Put it in for 2 minutes.
we've mucked this up
Yeah, put it
somehow.
in for 2 minutes. We'll come back in a...
20 seconds to go, Mike. I've been in there for ages.
I can smell
we
it.
think the problem is we used a whole 300 gram bag, which is like one of those huge family packs. It may have been too many for the plate. Here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, he's
Are you
opening
ready?
the door. Yeah, I'm ready.
Wow! Oh my god!
Oh, what's going on? Let me.
Oh my God! It looks like a giant pineapple lump pavlova.
It does. Oh, that is divine.
Get me a spoon.
Every pineapple lump is like the size of one of those Easter eggs.
That's insane. Everyone, go out today, buy the old Cadbury Pascal's pineapple lumps and try this at home because this looks so good.
That would be a good treat at a party.
Is it delish?
Tastes great.
Is it hot or warm?
Hot. I'm really, really chewy.
That's funny because I usually like putting pineapple lumps in the freezer, you know, so they're crunchy, but that looks so delicious.
That is good work.
I just have to try this.
Yeah, it just like boom. So funny.
Hot banana,
Does anyone else want to go? Because that is so good.
So what would happen if you stuck
Diet! What diet? Oh!
It's like cheese.
Oh my God!
Really swell.
Oh, yeah, can I do a piece? What do you want to move it up?
It's like mozzarella cheese on a pizza or something.
The Edge Morning Madhouse.